Welcome back, guys. Today, I will show you my new tool. It's an antivirus, or you can call it the Defender of Linux. So let's get started. Open any browser and search for my GitHub profile. Simply type my GitHub profile URL, and you will directly access it. Okay, now, when you access my GitHub profile, click on Repositories. After that, click on the Ghost Defender tool. Now, scroll down to find all the commands I've provided in one section. Just copy them. Next, open the root terminal and activate your Python environment to proceed with installing the required pip packages. Next, paste the command into your terminal and execute it. Okay, install all the packages and launch successfully. There are two options, one for selecting a single file, and the second for selecting a directory. In simple words, a folder. I have chosen a single file in APK and will now proceed to analyze it. As you can see, this is the malicious APK I showcased in my previous video. You may choose to delete it, skip it, or remove files individually. For this demonstration, I'll skip it and proceed to select a folder. The scanning process has now started, and it may take some time. The scan is done. All files are clean, and there's no virus. If it catches any type of virus, it will show up here in a new tab. Once again, to scan a single file or APK, click on Scan File and choose the desired file. Check it out, it opened a new tab because it caught a virus. I'll delete it and then select another folder. Alright, that's a game infected with the virus. And here's the folder, let's proceed to scan it. Okay, you can see there's a virus along with lots of rats, malware, and other malicious files here. You can check them easily and quickly, so I deleted them all and will show you the folder. Okay, here is the folder, and as you can see, there's nothing because it was all viruses. Oh, and the tool also made a report file for you in the tool folder. Okay guys, I hope you liked the tool and the video. Please support me, and see you with the next tool.